Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how you can upload an image in CKEditor using file browser. So let me just show you right now. If you have included CKEditor, then what image options you will get. So if you will click on image option, there are two options only, image info and link. There is no option to upload from your computer. So for that we will be using file browser. So I have included CKEditor script till now in my code, and you can see there is text area with name, description and ID editor1. And in the script you can see I have replaced my normal text area with CKEditor. So let's continue with file browser. Okay, let me show you the link from where you can download the file browser. Well, it is already included in your CKEditor, but if you want to include, you can include that, and from there you can download, and you can see the download file is downloaded in zip file, and it's showing the instruction how you can download. So it's my downloads where you can see extract that into the folder and just go to the your project folder where your CKEditor is there. Then in the CKEditor, go to plugins and paste your file browser folder. Firstly, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a file that is upload.php, in which I will write my code to move an image to my folder, and I'm going to include my file browser in my script, that is with using extra plugins, and pass the name of the file browser. After that, I'm going to write as file browser browse URL, and second one is file browser upload URL. So upload URL will be the option from where we are going to select file from our computer and uploading that to CKEditor. So in upload URL, I'm going to pass the link that is upload.php, and in browse URL, I'm just going to pass browse.php. But in this video, I'm just going to show you how you can use upload.php to upload your file. Let's see image option in browser. So let me just refresh and open the image one. There you can see there is upload option in the third one, and there you can see it says send it to the server, and you can choose a file. But now you can see there is incorrect server response, so we need to tackle that. To solve this issue, what I need to include in my code, that is file browser upload method, and in which I need to pass the value that is form. So now if I'll check in browser and if I'll upload my file, there you can see now it's not showing any error for incorrect server response. Now let me write code in upload.php for uploading my file. So what I need, three things I need to check. Firstly, one is that file is uploaded or not. So for that I'm using isSet. Second, I need to move my file using move uploaded file. And third one is the link to CKEditor through my script for redirect. So let me just check first. So let me define a variable file in which I'm going to pass my name of the file. Then second, I'm going to take the temporary name of the file with variable file temp, And after that, I'm just going to write move uploaded file, and in that first parameter I'm going to pass the temporary name, and second one is the directory, and directory is upload slash and the file name. So next what I need is the CKEditor parameters. So first one is function number, so I need to get that function number. Second one is URL to my directory, that is upload slash file name. After that, a message that I'm going to pass blank. And now last is I'm going to echo my script with window dot parent dot ckeditor dot tools dot call function, and in which I'm going to pass all these three. First one is function number, second one is URL, and third one is message. Save and refresh. Click on image, go to upload and select a file. And when you send to server, I guess something went wrong. So let me just check. So image is uploaded, but redirect is not working. So what's the issue is, okay, just check the CKEditor value, sorry, not value, CKEditor, CKEditor spelling is wrong, so just correct that spelling. Just remove extra D from there, and if you will check in the browser, again open image and upload, choose the file, and there you can see it's now redirected, and there you can see our image is uploaded to the CKEditor. So in this video I have showed you how you can upload an image using file browser and custom upload.php. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.